How does internal and external balance sound to you? Or having that flexibility of your youth back into your life? Welcome to your YouTube channel, and I'm Angelina. For the next 2 months, every Thursday, I will be posting a series of the basic fundamentals of the asanas of yoga, and we will be covering the essentials on how to use props for beginning practitioners, as yourself, and advanced. As you begin this journey deep into yourself, you'll learn more about yourself than you ever have, and you'll be amazed at the results. So join me, let's grow together, let's evolve together, and experience the dynamic benefits of yoga, which can help with many things, such as detoxifying the body, weight loss, stress and depression, balancing out the lymphatic system, improving your energy and vitality, improve your athletic performance, and awaken to your highest potential. For those who would like to reduce their stress that are in the field of health and wellness and caregiving, this practice will help you to re-energize yourself as you are naturally giving your time and energy to the people that are under your care, by rebuilding your vitality and enhancing your joy in life. So please, click that subscribe button, press the bell button to the right to receive notifications for when a new video is posted below, and leave a comment and introduce yourself. Thank you for watching, and click the next video to learn how to do sun salutations to warm up the body.